Hello folks, NI Detecting back again with another video. Was out last Sunday on the new permission. That big field on the right hand side, that's where I stayed all day. A nice sunny blue sky day. A bit cold, but to tell you the truth, I actually got too warm. When I was detecting, I had to take a jumper off to cool myself down a bit. Okay, here we go with the finds. First up, can't remember what this was. Having a nice cup of coffee while I'm sitting here. Button. An old crusted flat button. First up. Next up, the lid of a jar. But the strange thing about it, it doesn't tell you what was in it. It just says Scots for quality. And then at the top it says pierce with a pin. I think it would be hard putting a pin through that. But it's strange it doesn't say what it contained. But I suppose if it's quality, you don't really care, do you? You know, you buy it anyway. So it's quality stuff, it doesn't matter what's in it. Right, next up is a pewter spoon bowl. All bubbled and corroded up. Right, the coil, as I detected, there's like a web has formed on the coil, and it does get worse as I go on, so keep watching, you see what happens. Next up, a wee copper pipe with one end blocked off. There's like plastic in there, it's meant to be in there. I thought it was soil or dirt. It is full of dirt, but that side is actually a plastic insert. So I'm not sure what that is, probably some electrical part. Next up, just another button, another flat button. Wee bit of trouble getting that to focus in, but you know what it is, a button. Next up, a piece of an old number plate with the plastic letters, the resin plastic letters on it, or numbers. I remember driving a car with a number plate like that on it, so I'm showing my age now. Next up, a piece of ammo, live. Well, it was live until the end, rotted off it. And there's a picture of the field again, nice blue sky and sun, a wee bit of cloud coming over, but it didn't rain all day. Then pieces of dirt fell down over the top of this, and it's a window latch, copper brass window latch. There is an S, the letter S, on the top of it. I noticed on there. Next up, another pewter spoon bowl, and that's the last find of the day. Not one coin come up in that field, and I was there 4 hours. But we do get days like that. Too many of them. Back to the coil again. That's the spiders. It's spider web that's forming on it. It's very strange. I'm walking about that field swinging the coil, and I don't know where they're coming from, but they seem to be built in a nest. I think they're worshipping the coil. They must think it's a big spider or something, and they're worshipping it. They're building their nest on it. So very strange, but I did have to clean it off. Looking at that, you would think it was lying in a shed for 100 years. Absolutely shocking. Look at that. Dozens of little spiders in it. Well, I think that's it for the finds, folks. So, okay folks, Rob's Metal Detecting YouTube channel directory. Big thanks to all those who have submitted their channel, and thanks to those who have given me shout outs in their videos and mentions in other social media sites. Much appreciated. If you want to add your channel, just go to robsdirectories.com, follow it through, and it'll take you to a small video, and you can leave your details in there. This way, by using the video, I can see your channel and I know it's you, so more secure than using the form. All I need is your country, your county, or your state, and if you want to narrow it down a bit more, you can give me your city or town, the nearest city or town to where you metal detect, and that's all I need. I don't want to know where you live, your phone number, your email address, anything like that. It's not about that. All I need to know is the general area to where you're making the finds. There are people out there, people who don't even metal detect. They like to watch your videos, they like to see your finds, and they like to know roughly where they were found. You know, if you show a find to a friend, the first thing they ask you is, where did you find that? So people are interested in where the finds are being made. So that's it folks, get your channel in, get more likes, more subscribers, more comments, get your channel noticed. So it's helping your channel as well, helping you out and helping others out. So looking forward to putting your channel in for you. Right, well that's it. I'm gonna shut up now. Thanks for watching, please subscribe, happy hunting, good luck, and I'll leave you with a nice slow burning candle to relax you after all that waffling I've been doing. So take it easy, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.